And the witness, for those who were in the assembly, Honorable Amos Onderi spelled very well the four functions of the clerk. There are actually four. And you stick with the four functions of the clerk, do not go wrong. The first, you are the secretary of the board. The second, you are the chief executive officer of this assembly. You are the chief administrative officer and of the service and the accounting officer. And you are the head of service. Simple. Isn't it? So, kazi yako ni kuensure that umefanyia hao watu wote kazi. The role, the work you do for honorable members, just do it effectively and efficiently. The role and the duties you do to the staff, just do it effectively. Then, vile leader amesema, siasa kuachia wengine siasa. For the staff, for like 2 years, we had been having an acting clerk. Now we have substantive clerk. Heshima yake na heshima yenu ikuwe pamoja hivyo ikifanya kazi. Ama namna gani? Yes. Of course, let me appreciate and echo for those staff who came for the interview. It was competitive. Kila mtu alikuja, mliona. Lakini ukweli waambiwe, hata wanaume watatu wanne wakienda kwa mwanamke mmoja ndiye atapata. For a man can have 400, but for a woman can have 100.
Use another example.
Yes. So, tumepata ni chako moke. Clerk kufanyia waheshimiwa kazi because it is spelled very well that kazi yako ni kupatiana advice na kwe otherwise the members of the body state, I know yale yote itaongelewa kule nje, hiyo ni ya kule nje. Ile tumeongea hapa as the assembly ni kwamba today we have a new clerk. About the only clerk whatever happened, that is the only business na kule nje. Si ni ukweli? Yes. Ile inafanyikana kachao kule ni kule hii. Sasa deputy president ni Nkindi. That is it. Na hiyo ndio maisha. And that is what.
Sasa clerk ni?
Okay. Thank you very much.